Congratulations and welcome for today. Can you introduce yourself and let us know where are you working currently?
Yeah, hello ma'am. My name is Avinash and I'm working as a data scientist in Quality Kiosk. So it's been 2 years I am working there. So I'm basically from a computer science background. So
what made you choose a career as data scientist or data science or analytics?
So yeah, in the final year of my college, I came a buzzword called as bioinformatics, where one of the professor introduced me. So he got interested me into data science. So that intrigued me to get into data analytics, and where it is related to cyber, like we solve cyber criminal cases and all. So by that aspect, I have jumped into data science. I would say I'm doing quite well in that area.
What are some of the common challenges that you have faced while working on data science projects, and how have you overcome them?
Okay, so few of the challenges were like getting the data in my current company, talking with the stakeholders and getting aligned with the appropriate team is a very challenging task, because getting the data, you can get a data, but getting the relevant data for the problem statement is very required. So for that you have to roam around, talk to various stakeholders. So that is a very challenging task as of now, or what I have faced in the recent days.
What are your career aspirations in the field of data science, data scientist, and where do you see yourself around 10 years down the line?
In 10 years down the line, I might be looking as a product owner, like heading all the analytical tools and I would say products, and managing all those and managing big scale business. So that would be my aspiration down the line.
Any career advice you would want to give to the budding data scientists who are watching you, listening you?
Yeah, so only one or two small advices, which is stay relevant in the game. So if you have to stay relevant in the game, keep brushing up the basics. And second would be is to read all the research paper which are coming next to, like new research paper, and make sure you are not making yourself hard. You go with the flow very easily and you will be in a good place eventually.
Thank you, Avinash. Lovely talking to you, and we wish you good luck.
Thank you, ma'am.